Good morning, good morning, good morning. Maggie from Maggie Bakes number 2 here. And this morning I'm doing a short run, maybe about 10 to 12 kilometers around my neighborhood. Can you hear the water gushing? Yes, this is the Rimba Hills and it's just around near where I live. And it's so wonderful to see mature trees. Have a look. Yes, mature trees, birds chirping, right smack in this jungle of concrete. Amazing, amazing. Look, again. Can you see? The Rimba Hills is there. This is one of the housing development, yeah? And now I'm approaching to the end of the road and I'm going to make a U-turn. All right, I'll see you then. Bye. And would you like to say hello to me? Do so. Yeah. I'm on kilometer 7.6. I have halfway to go. Ciao, ciao. See you later.